to your toes.
Ooh.
Awesome. Just take a couple deep breaths there.
The last chiropractor didn't do that.
He was holding out on you.
He was. Now I feel
Holding on the
like
good stuff.
jibbed out.
How long have you been having the mid-back pain for?
Like 6 months.
Got it.
Yeah.
And it started after?
Like,
it's okay.
Oh, like to say after I went to see somebody?
Yeah,
it's okay.
It's
So it started after I went to go see somebody, yeah.
You got adjusted, and then a week later.
Yeah, I felt like the pinpoint, like the pain, and like something was off. Yeah.
Got it. And that was 6 months ago.
6 months ago, yeah.
And you're a long distance runner.
Yes.
So you've been putting a lot of mileage, so not just the mid-back pain, but the knees. Any other areas of pain?
Just my neck.
Okay.
I feel like tense. I always feel like my whole back is always tense, even though I'm not like a tense person. It's kind of weird.
And yourself, how do you combat that?
Or I go to the gym. So after I go to the gym, I feel like looser.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know.
Do you do anything else to help loosen up your spine?
I just stretch. My husband's always like, you need to stretch. So I just stretch like, I have one of those like rollers where you like roll on. I don't know what
Foam
they're
roller?
called. Yeah, like a foam roller. Yeah.
It's made of foam. You roll on it. I'm not sure what it's called.
Oh, no. Sorry.
That's okay.
No. You can't have any. I know. But yeah, I roll on that. After I do that, it kind of feels better because it's like putting pressure to like the areas that I feel like. But it only lasts for so long.
And do you ever ask your husband to?
Crack my back.
Yeah.
Yes.
What does he say?
I like him crazy.
Do you ever try to self-pop?
I always like my back, my neck, my fingers, everything. It's pretty bad.
How often do you do that?
Daily.
More than daily?
No, like daily. Like
Okay.
probably like when I wake up in the morning. I just feel like tense.
When do you feel the tensest? Is that in the morning?
Like in the morning, yeah. Or like sometimes right before bed, depending on the day that I had. But mostly in the mornings.
Okay, you ready to get that corrected now?
Uh-huh.
Let's go ahead and go face down there.
Okay, you got it, please.
And carrying the little one, carrying Stella around is
24/7.
24/7.
I know. She's
And
getting
your
heavier.
husband's not helping because
He's on deployment.
He's on deployment.
Yeah.
He would love to, but he's serving our country right now.
Yeah, he's on the ship.
So remember I pointed that on the x-ray, you can feel it. It starts there, goes into here, and it's gonna rotate the opposite direction right in here.
You know, when I work out at the gym and I do like lat pull downs,
Yeah,
I can feel it like.
so that might not make sense, but that's relevant. Your lats go all the way down to L1, they attach here, and that's actually the area that's misaligned.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do a couple of adjustments. The upper neck as well. And how tall are you?
5 exactly.
5 feet?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Were you okay if you be 5'1" after the adjustment?
Sure.
Okay. Go ahead and stand up. I want to do one more test with you. So I'm gonna have you extend back as far as you can. And does that cause pain in your back?
Yeah, like tightness.
Tightness? On the tightness scale, what does that get up to? Scale of 1 to 10.
Like maybe a 3 or 4, but I could tell like it's uncomfortable.
Got it.
Yeah.
Push back a little harder. Does that increase the pain
Yeah,
more?
it hurts.
What does it get up to?
Like a 5.
Okay, so we're gonna notice how far she extended back to. Go ahead and go face down. Lie on your side facing me, actually.
Okay, so, oh wait, this way.
There I am, yep. Do you ever pop your low back as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. I'm horrible, I know. My husband gets mad at me.
Well, it's just your body's talking to you.
Yeah.
It's saying do something. And so that misalignment, we actually want to push that L1 down, okay? So you're gonna look straight ahead at the wall. Right there. Good. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Good. Beautiful. That was perfect on the money. That was L1. Now we're gonna get on T12, that one just above it. Go ahead and have a seat actually at the bottom. How'd that feel?
I felt good actually.
Okay, for somebody who self-pops, I can tell that has not moved in a while. So
Okay.
you've been popping stuff all around that.
Excuse me, baby.
I'm gonna tickle you, Stella. Okay, interlace your fingers behind your neck. And bring your chin down. All the way down, so we really gotta take this slack out so I can get right under here, okay? You're gonna go ahead and lie down. There you go.
Felt good.
Do you feel how stuck that one was?
Yeah, that
But
felt
then
good.
when it opened up, it felt good?
Yeah, it felt good, yeah.
All right. Go ahead and lie on your back.
I definitely haven't cracked that. I feel like all the places I crack, like after I crack them, I feel like it's not what I need to
getting
crack.
in there.
Yeah.
I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Okay, so the components of your neck, they're rotating. You can feel that one. You can't pop that area of your neck. It's impossible. Unless you get a short lever on it like so, you're gonna feel a gentle release.
Ooh.
Awesome.
Felt
Just
good.
take a couple deep breaths there.
The last chiropractor didn't do that.
He was holding out on you.
He was. Now I feel
Holding on the
like
good stuff.
jibbed out.
Where are you and your husband from originally?
We're from Chino Hills.
That's right, Tina Hill.
Yeah.
Did I tell you my wife's from Riverside?
Oh no.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, grew up
I know all about the 73. 73, right?
71.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, it's a short freeway.
Okay,
Yeah, close.
70 something.
Yeah.
Okay, we doing okay?
Mhm.
All right, now what we're going to do, we're gonna get up under that occiput, right under here. So when I adjust this, you're gonna feel a big lift and it's gonna go through your neck, okay? And when you relax, it's gonna actually feel like it decompresses that whole spine, okay?
Okay.
Let your head relax there, just like that. Good. Relax your toes. Good. And relax your toes. Very nice. I felt that go down your entire spine. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you feel that click open up here too?
Oh yeah, like in my ears too.
Stella,
Oh no.
no keys in the...
This is gonna be a crazy video.
It's gonna be that kind of video,
Yeah.
okay.
Like when you catch like the bad things happening on. Oh my gosh.
Adjustment gone wrong.
Yeah.
That's what that one would have been called. Okay, go ahead and bend your knees. You're gonna pull your tummy really tight now. I want you to visualize on that x-ray that we saw, L1 and T12.
Okay.
Pull into them like you're trying to squeeze them and almost decompress them, and then squeeze your knees together right here, hard. Good, and just take a couple deep breaths. That's gonna shave off a minute on your 10K right there.
Okay.
Okay, what kind of mileage are you putting on?
I do. It depends on the day, but usually I always use at least 6 miles.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay, very
Yeah.
cool.
So.
All right, go ahead and sit up. You're gonna get a little lightheaded. Put your feet flat. You're gonna take a couple deep breaths with me right here. How are we doing? How'd that feel?
That felt good.
Yeah?
I
Okay.
felt like when you did like the leg thing, it
Yeah.
almost relieved pressure in my lower back.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's an adjustment we do a lot on pregnant women actually.
Oh, okay.
And that just opens up the pubic joint, the SI joints, very nice. Okay, take a couple deep breaths because we want to retest, and we're going to just get our neck involved when you take the deep breaths. That's going to help the spinal cord to glide down better. That's going to help
also
the
like
cerebral
tightness
spinal
right here.
fluid. Yeah. So that's from the lift, and the lift will definitely stimulate the muscles. That's why we want to get the, hey darling, we want to get those joints hydrated, and that'll help the muscles relax better and reduce the chance of soreness, but maximize the spinal changes.
I feel like the flow of my neck though is better
Yeah.
already.
You've tried like 6 times now, Stella. I baby-proofed it. Sorry, I 18-month-old proofed it. I know.
She thinks she's a big girl.
Go ahead and stand up. Okay, so give me one of these. Show me how far back you can go. Try to create the pain.
Like, it just feels like I can still feel it in the bone because I think it's been so sore for so long.
That's the damaged tissue. That's okay.
Yeah.
But the mechanics.
Yeah, it's like better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So hopefully you saw on that one where you extended back. It took you a lot further. Now pain scale of 1 to 10. How did that improve?
I feel like there's really no pain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like there's really no pain.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Great
All
job.
right, thank you.
All right, Stella, go easy on mom.